Hello, this is our evidence of stage 4. We are team 5 and we are going to explain about a robot that resolves an environmental problem.
The sustainability problem we have chosen is deforestation. Deforestation is the cleaning or destruction of forests, mainly caused by human activities. Its consequences include loss of biodiversity, climate change, damaged ecosystems, and poorer air quality. Our hypothesis is that an autonomous wheel robot can help reduce the impact of deforestation by performing automated reforestation tasks. Explanation of the robot's operation is our robot moves using 4 DC motors and wheels, allowing it to traverse different terrains. It also uses 3 ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles and holes in the ground. Additionally, it uses a servo motor to place the seats, and like any robot, it has its own CPU to store the programming we created in Robotics, which we explain later. Ultrasonic sensors help the robot detect holes in the ground as it moves. When a hole is detected, a servo motor rotates approximately 30 degrees to release a seat. After placing the seat, the robot moves from side to side. It wheels and DC motors stationary to cover the hole with soil, mimicking the movement of a dog digging. Sensors also help the robot avoid obstacles and continue moving safely.
How does its programming work? The program works as follows. It begins with the servo motor at 0 degrees, so the seat is not released yet. Then, the following sequence repeats continuously so the robot can work automatically. The robot moves forward and we add an if condition using the infrared sensor. If the sensor detects a distance greater than a certain value, it means a hole has been detected, so the planting sequence begins. First, the DC motors stop, and the servo motor rotates about 30 degrees. After 1 second, it returns to 0 degrees, releasing the seat into the hole. Next, the robot covers the seat using the movement of its wheels, which move safely from side to side several times. Once the seat is covered, the cycle starts again. The robot continues moving forward, and if another hole is detected, the sequence repeats automatically. We also added another if condition. In case an obstacle is detected, if the ultrasonic sensor detects a distance of less than a certain value, the motor stops and the robot turns right for 5 seconds, then moves forward for another 5 seconds, and finally turns left to face its original direction again. After that, the process repeats infinitely.
What do the robot's actions represent in solving the problem? The robot's actions represent the reforestation process to help reduce deforestation. The servo motor that drops the seed represents the planting of new trees, and the lateral movement represents covering and protecting the seeds with soil so they can grow successfully. Together, these actions show how robotics can contributes to environmental sustainability and ecosystem restoration. Muchas gracias.
When it's raised, it's only moving forward, and when it goes down, it represents when it detects the hole, and now the sequence begins, which will be to release the seed with the movement of the servo motor and cover the soil with the movement of the wheels.